Today I'll teach you how to use jQuery Modal Popup in ASP.NET Core. So let's start. So first I'm adding an HTML div. This HTML div will be used as a jQuery Modal Popup. Now I'm adding a button. When this button will be clicked, the jQuery Modal Popup will be displayed. Now you can see I have inherited some files. These are the script and CSS files required by the jQuery UI plugin, which will be used for displaying the jQuery Modal Popup. Now I am adding script tags so that I can write down my jQuery code. So first I am adding the document ready event handler. And inside that, I'll assign a click event handler to the button. The next thing is to apply the jQuery Dialog plugin to the HTML div and set its property. So the first property is title. And the next one is buttons. So here I am adding the first button, for which I am setting the function. So here I am executing the command to close the jQuery dialog. The next property is modal, for which I am setting the value true, which means the background will be blocked when the jQuery Modal Popup is displayed. Let's run the code and check it. So now I'll click on the button. As you can see, the jQuery pop-up is displaying. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.